How to fix group is at risk on Facebook. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. A group is at risk notification on Facebook means your group has violated one or more of Facebook community standard or group rules. This can lead to reduced distribution of your group content, removal of content, or even the group being taken down entirely. So this is what you can do. Firstly, you can understand why your group is at risk. Now, if you are an admin, you can open up your Facebook and head over to your group section. Click on the group which has been marked. Now, right over here, what you can do is you can actually head over to the settings of your group. You can just tap on the Manage button. In the Manage Group button over here to review, you will find some of the restricted ones, such as potential spam or some of the reported content and moderation alert. If any of the posts have been marked within this tab, then you have to actually remove the post entirely. Also make sure that while creating a post, you are not actually attacking people based on protected characteristics such as race, ethnicity, religion, and more. Do not create content that targets individual for abuse or humiliation, or do not even try to spread false information. Now, what you can do is remove any of this content which is marked right over here. Next thing that you can do is if it is from a certain member, you can actually warn or remove the member from your group as well. Now, to ensure that there is only quality posts being uploaded on your group, you can actually have some group settings. In the group settings, such as to manage the discussion, the post approval, if it is on, anyone can upload to your group without your approval. If you click on off, then people will need your approval for the certain post, and only after a thorough check by you as an admin it can be posted. So this is how you can actually fix or prevent being group is at risk on Facebook. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.